Welcome, in this video we will see create word list with the crunch in Linux. So basically what is word list? In password cracking technique, word list is one of the most important files for cracking password. This word list have all key combination of all possible passwords combinations. Password cracking techniques are dictionary attack. A dictionary attack uses targeted techniques of successively trying all the words in an exhaustive list called a dictionary. Second, brute force attack. In contrast with the brute force attack, where a large proportion key space is searched systematically, a dictionary attack tries only those possibilities which are most likely to succeed, typically derived from a list of words, for example, a dictionary. Hybrid attack. It works like a dictionary attack but adds some numbers and symbols to the words from the dictionary and tries to crack the password. Syllable attack. It is a combination of both brute force attack and the dictionary attack. Fifth, rule-based attack. This attack is used when the attacker gets some information about the password. In this video, I am going to show you how to create word list with the crunch in Linux. Syntax for creating word list, that is crunch minimum maximum character set -t pattern -o filename.lst, where minimum equals to minimum character that you want to add in your word list, max is equal to maximum character that you want to add in your word list, char set equals to which character you want to add in your word list like ABCD or 1 2 3 4 5. Pattern equals to your word list pattern. For example, you want to create numbers from 98 ***, means your first two digit will be static and last digit will be variable. Now let's do some practical. Let's open up terminal and type crunch. You can see that crunch version is 3.6. Crunch can be create a word list based on criteria you specify. The output from crunch can be sent to the screen, file, or to another program. Let's generate a word list, minimum 1 character and maximum 10 character. Type crunch 1 space 10. You can see that 1 5 3 4 and so MB word list is generated. Crunch generate 1 4 6 8 and so lines of word list. Here you can see that word list is generating. Now I will stop it by pressing Ctrl+C. Let's generate minimum and max for character using given characters. Type crunch 4 4 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can see that total 10,000 word list is created. Let's save the word list in the file. Type crunch 2 space 2 -o root desktop wordlist.lsc. We can see that total 676 lines are generated and saved in wordlist.lst file. Let's open up the wordlist.lst file. You can see that word list are generated here. Now I generate word list as alphanumeric data. Type crunch 2 space 2 ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRST 9876543210 root desktop wordlist_new.lst. You can see that total 908 word list is created. You can see that the file is created, and let's open the file. You can see that word list is displayed here. So that's it in this video on creating word list with crunch in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.